When we usually connect optical fibers and encounter this dual-core cable, we often break one core, turning it into a single-core cable. So, can both cores of this dual-core cable be connected at the same time? The answer is yes. The operation is quite simple, but most technicians find it troublesome. Let me demonstrate how to connect both cores of this dual-core cable at the same time. First, the second step. We can't sweep either core of the dual-core optical fiber. The third step is to strip the fourth step is to clean it with alcohol. Just clean it thoroughly. The fifth step is to take out our fancy VT20 and insert the cleaned optical fiber into it. The sixth step is to open the fusion splicer. The seventh step is to lift its cover and pry open its fixture. The eighth step is to insert our optical fiber into it. Here, we need to pay attention to make a big batch cut on the next operation is just like the previous one, but this time we don't need to make a big batch cut on the optical fiber. Just insert it like we normally do and close the cover. After that, it's all automatic operation of the fusion splicer. Once connected, we open the cover, and look, isn't it connected? After connecting, we just switch to the other core, and it's done. But be careful not to break it, or you'll have to start over. It's still such a tedious and boring repetitive operation. Let's insert it again, and do it once more. After a bit of work, both cores of the optical fiber are connected. Finally, we carefully put both cores of the optical fiber into a heat shrink tube. Isn't it done? Wait for the heating to finish, then take it out, and you'll get this cable. To ensure its connectivity, let's test it. If both cores are connected, can everyone give a thumbs up to the master? You can see the red light is on, which is perfect. Now let's test the green light. Let's witness the miracle together. Ah, it's perfect. No issues at all. If you like the master's videos, don't forget to like and